Hello, good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your mathematics class once again. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So, this time we are revising all chapters. So, my dear students, our today's topic for revision is different ways to write a number. Different way to write a number means how can we write a number in different ways. And now we will see. Okay, so any 4-digit number can be written in the following 3 ways. So name of these 3 ways is, first is standard form. First is standard form. So you can see this like this. We write a number in any number in standard form. Okay. Second one is expanded form. So in expanded form we write number like this. And last is word form. So in a word form we write a number like this. We will understand it detail and we will to write a number in these 3 ways. Firstly we will look standard form. So if any 4-digit number is given like this 3459 and we have to write 459 in standard form. So how we will write it? So for writing in standard form we will write here comma. We can put comma between the 1000 and 100, between the 1000 and 100. Okay, or we can leave a space like this 3459. मीन टू से हम किसी भी नंबर को स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में राइट करने के लिए या तो हम 1000 प्लेस और 100 प्लेस के बीच में एक कॉमा पुट कर सकते हैं या फिर 1000 और 100 प्लेस के बीच में गैप भी दे सकते हैं, थोड़ा सा स्पेस छोड़ के. मीन्स फॉर राइटिंग स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म हमें यहाँ पे मीन्स 1000 और 100 प्लेस के बीच में या तो एक कॉमा पुट कर देना चाहिए या तो फिर थोड़ा सा गैप दे देना चाहिए. तो इससे ये किस फॉर्म में हो गया? सो इस नंबर को 3459 को हमने स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में राइट किया हुआ है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, फॉर राइटिंग expanded form it is a very compulsory for you should know to the place value of digit. So you all have understood place value of digit in previous class. So look at the 3459. Okay, and tell me the place value of 9543 in this number. So the place value of 9 will be 9 at ones place, so it means 9 multiplied by 1 is equal to 9. Okay, 5 at 100 place, so we will multiply 5 at 10's place, so we will multiply it with 10. So 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 50. 4 at 100 place, so we will multiply it with 100 and we will write here 400. Okay, and 3 at 1000 place, so we will multiply it with 1000 and we get 3000. So you can see here this is the place value of 3000, 400, 550 and 9 for 9. Okay, and now it is very simple to writing any number in expanded form. So look at this. Now we have to simply put a plus sign between them. We have to simply put a plus sign between them. Okay, so 3 at 1000 place, so we will write here firstly 3000. Okay, now we will put plus sign. Next step, we will write here 4 at 100 place, so 400. Again we will put plus sign. Next step, 5 at 10s place, it means 50. Again we will put plus sign. And last 9. Okay, so you can see this is the expanded form. मीन्स कि एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में लिखने के लिए हम दिए हुए नंबर के डिजिट को उनके प्लेस वैल्यू के अकॉर्डिंग राइट करेंगे और फिर उनके बीच में हम प्लस का साइन पुट करेंगे. ओके, सो दिस इज सिंपली इन अ एंड थर्ड एंड लास्ट फॉर्म इज वर्ड फॉर्म. ओके, so we have to write 3459 in words. So it is also very simple to write any number in word form simply as we are reading this number. In same way we have to write it in word. Okay, so tell me how you will read this number. So you will read this number 3459. Okay, so now we have to write it 3000. So we will write 3 THREE 3000 THOUSAND 3400 FOUR 4 and HUNDRED 100 and 50 FIFTY 59. Yeah, this is very simple. Simply we have to write in same way as we are reading it. So we are reading this number 3459. Okay, so I hope you all have understood it, how we can write any number in these three forms: in a standard form, in expanded form and in word form. Okay, all these are very simple. In standard form, simply we have to put comma or we have to leave some space between 1000 and 100, and in expanded form we have to write according to your place value and we have to just put plus sign between them, and in word form as we are reading in same manner we have to write it. Okay, so now this is your homework time and this is your homework. Write the following numbers in word form, expanded form and standard form. Okay, there are 5 numbers, 1 2 3 4 4 numbers, and you have to write it in different ways. It means in word form, expanded form and standard form. Okay, now we will see the solution of previous homework. In previous class I had given you to solve some question based on place value and face value. Okay, so I hope you all have done your homework and now you have to match it with your solution. Okay, so let us see the solution of previous homework. Question number first: write the place value and face value of. First is 6 in 7635. It means we have to find out the place value and face value of 6 in 7635. Okay, so let us look. You can see 6 at 100 place, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So it means 6 at 100 place. So we will multiply 6 with 100. Now we get 600. So this is the place value. This is the place value of 6. It means the place value of 6 is 600. And face value, so we know face value is always be same or the number itself, so the face value will be 6. Okay, means कि 6 की प्लेस वैल्यू 600 प्लेस पे है तो इसकी प्लेस वैल्यू 600 होगी. और फेस वैल्यू हम जानते हैं कि किसी भी नंबर का फेस वैल्यू हमेशा वो नंबर खुद ही होता है. ओके, इसलिए फेस वैल्यू हमेशा सेम होता है. तो यहाँ पे 6 की फेस वैल्यू कितनी होगी 6, यानी कि खुद 6 ही होगा. ओके, नाउ लुक एट बी. इन बी वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द प्लेस वैल्यू एंड फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 5. Okay, so the place value of 5 is 5 at tens place, so we will multiply 5 with 10, so we get 50. It means the place value of 5 is 15. Okay, and the face value of 5 is 5. And now look at the C. So in C, 4 in 4321. So we have to find out the place value of 4 in 4321. Okay, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So we can see here 4 at 1000 place. So we will multiply 4 with 1000. So we get 4000. It means the place value of 4 is 4000. Okay, and the face value of 4, so it will always be same and it will be 4. Now look at D. So we have to find out in D 0 in 1320. Okay, 1320. So we can see ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Here 0 at ones place, 0 at ones place, so we will multiply it with ones. 0 multiply by 1, so what we get 0, because we know when we multiply any number with 0 or 0 with any number, so we get always 0. Okay, so it means the place value of 0 will be 0. Okay, and the face value of 0 is also 0. And an important thing, that the place value and face value of 0 always be 0. 0 का प्लेस वैल्यू एंड फेस वैल्यू हमेशा ही 0 होगा, क्योंकि 0 चाहे वंस प्लेस पे हो, चाहे टेंस प्लेस पे हो, चाहे 100 पे हो, चाहे 1000 पे हो. जब हम इसे किसी भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें आंसर में 0 ही मिलेगा. तो इसलिए, और इसके साथ ही 0 की फेस वैल्यू भी 0 होगी. तो इसका मतलब है कि 0 की प्लेस वैल्यू एंड फेस वैल्यू हमेशा ही 0 होगी. ओके, look at the E. In E, 7 in 7222. Okay, so we can see 7 at 1000 place, so we will multiply 7 with 1000, so we get 7000. So it means the place value of 7 is 7000 and the face value of 7 is 7. Okay, so I hope you all have understood place value and face value, and you all have done your homework. So now match it with your answer. Okay.